Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the Moonphase on your Omega Swatch watch that features the Moonphase complication. So we have three releases that actually feature this Moonphase complication. We have the white Snoopy, this one right here, the black Snoopy, and then we have the super blue Moonphase. So this tutorial is going to work for all three versions. I did not manage to buy the super blue Moonphase, but nonetheless the same tutorial applies. Now the first thing that you want to do is to pull the crown to the last position. So it is going to be the second position. So I'm going to pull it all the way, and you can see that the seconds hand of the watch has stopped. So this subdial here at 6 o'clock is now stopped, and this is where you can actually set the time. Now in this position, we are going to use the bottom pusher in order to adjust the Snoopy. Now if you want just a small micro adjustment, you can push it one by one, and each push is actually going to move Snoopy just 1 hour. So if you want to switch between 17th and the 18th, you are going to press it 24 times in order for it to go 1 day. So each individual push under 1 second is going to count for 1 hour. Now the second option is to press and hold the button, and that is going to move Snoopy or the moon on the super blue moon version. Now there are going to be 3 speeds. So once I press and hold, just like this, we are going to have a very slow, then a medium speed, and then we are going to have the fast version, which is going to move 5 days at a time. So as you can see now, I can move very fast. So once again, I press it, it's going to move very slow, then a little bit faster, and then we are going to have the, let's say, super fast version, which is going to move 5 days at a time. Now you might wonder, how can I know the correct position of the moon or Snoopy when it comes to my Moonphase setting? Now what you need to do is to go to the Omega Swatch website and find the super blue listing, so the super blue Moonphase listing, and then if you go all the way down, you can actually see past the information about the watch. We have this. So now I know that we are on the 6th of October, and as you can see, I can even select a different day, and this shows me how the moon should look like. So let's say I am on the 11th or the 15th. Now you know how the moon, so how this should look on your watch. Also, the same principle applies to the Snoopy versions. You need to go to the Swatch website where you have the white Snoopy or the black Snoopy, and then you are going to scroll down, and here once again today we are on the 6th of October, and this is the correct position of Snoopy. If I go even further, as you can see on the 15th, here we have the correct position for Snoopy. As you can see, you now know how Snoopy or the moon should look like. So guys, this is how you can actually set the Moonphase on your Omega Swatch watch that has the Moonphase complication. So the black Snoopy, the white Snoopy, and the super blue moon. So guys, once you are finished, simply push the crown all the way back in. Now the watch is going to tick, and that is how you set the Moonphase, guys. In case you found this tutorial useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, and also if you want to watch other tutorials about your Omega Swatch watch, how to replace the watch strap with a rubber strap, how to replace the watch battery, how to use the chrono function, the tachymeter function, how to set the time and date, and so on, you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel, watch the rest of the tutorials that I have for you, and until next time guys, all the best.